Welcome back, guys. You see me here, and I'm trying to make it light. There is a lizard. See it out there? See it all snowing? See it all snowing out there? We're having a blizzard in Royersford. Yes, we are. And I am scared. Because I'm supposed to have a sleepover today. So let me undo my hair. And I'm getting a little bit scared because I'm thinking that they're not going to come. And yes, you'll see my hair bouncing up. Because I had it up in a side ponytail. And plus, I'm really scared. Guys, please say good luck in the comments. I know, sorry, it's lagging. It's lagging pretty bad. Oh no, why is it lagging? What did I do wrong? And plus, yeah, I'm wearing my pajamas. Today was pajama days. Yes, snoozy. Yes, snooze you lose. You snooze you lose. And plus, I got this from someone who lives in England, and his name is Shane Wilson, Mr. Wilson. And I know him. My mom knows him because they text. And plus, I hope you all, well, guess what? I hope you all love my videos. I'm pretty sad here because we actually had a backup when I was on the bus because one of my friends, guess what they did? So they did this. They and gave me their phone number if my parents weren't there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, well, Mr. Wilson's family. Thank you, Leo Wilson, for giving me your phone number. But I actually made it up. I made it home pretty safe. I'm glad that you made me a backup plan. And plus, subscribe, because I have I only have one subscriber. I need more, please. And I'll make some merch. Do you want my pajamas? It's called You Snooze You Lose Fans. I'll make this You Snooze You Lose Fans. Alright, bye guys. Bye.